What up, everybody? It's your boy Mark back with another video. I thought I had recorded a video of me. Well, I did record a video of me pulling the motor out, but the format I recorded in it wasn't showing right, so I had deleted it, so I ain't got that footage. But I'm gonna go ahead and just step into the footage of me finna clean the frame up, and then keep y'all up to date from there, man. Now, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. Man, so it's in the rain out here. It's real gloomy out here, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and insert this footage of me cleaning the frame and keep y'all up to date, man. It's your boy Mark, man. Keep it pushing. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Mark back with another video. It's the, oh, God, dog. Cobweb, whatever the fuck that is, spiderweb, whatever. But it's the next day, and I got the motor out. I'm about to spray it down with some of this lovely, awesome, real quick. Show y'all. Yeah. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, whatever. I'm about to just soak it down with some of this awesome, you know. Soak it down with some of this awesome. I gotta cover them up, but this is just a pre-bath. Loosen some of this grease up too. Loosen some of this grease up. Yeah, loosen some of those snaps. Loosen some of that grease up. And I got a couple cans. Of oven cleaner too. Got the power washer. I think it's on the back deck, but I gotta put that in the garage before it get too cold and freeze up. But yeah, I got the power washer ready. Like I said, I gotta cover that up to my power steering. But it's just mainly for all it is. Yeah, that stuff is sorry about my videotaping, y'all. You know. But we're gonna soak all this down. Power wash it up. I did a good job not poking a hole in my firewall when I took the motor out. Damn, they got my wrench. But yeah, see, I got them covered up, but I'm gonna have to find out which car has the condenser with the lines coming out on the other side. Which model? I don't like that. Well, so I ain't gonna use that. Then I gotta get rid of all them computer wires over there and stuff. So, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna soak all that. Ooh, excuse me. I'm gonna take a what's her name, and a scraper. Just scrape it first. Then I'm gonna hit it with the, cause it looks like it's coming up pretty. I might just hit it with the power washer, cause it looks like it's moving just with this awesome on there. So, and then I come back with the oven cleaner. But I'm gonna order all new front tie rod ends and all that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna order all that stuff new. So I ain't even worried about all that. All that's gonna be new. But yeah, I'm about to finish soaking this down. And shit, I'll bring y'all back with another update later on. when I do something else. It's your boy Mark. Excuse me. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Oh man, bugs everywhere. But yeah, like I say, I'm about to be out this joint, man. And I guess that was the end of the video. Shit, I'm about to go out here and do some more work. I guess on the next update. I don't know if I got a video of me pulling the motor out of the donor truck or not, but I got some of the video. I'll put that. I'll give you that video in a day or so. But like I said, this your boy Mark back with another update. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend or whatever, and we're gonna keep it pushing, man. I'm out.